What is the best Shopify payment gateway that you can start using in 2024, 2025 without needing so much document and without getting banned? This video is here to guide you completely through A to Z about payment gateways, which one you should be using and which one you can get started with. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, that is payment gateway. Now the first thing I want to clear off is what is payment gateway in Shopify dropshipping. Payment gateway is how you actually receive the money from the customers. Now in payment gateway there are so many different solutions such as cash on delivery, Stripe, online payment gateways, and so much more. But in today's video I'm going to be diving into the best payment gateways that you could start using in 2024, 2025 and ongoing without having so much trouble or so much problems with. So the first payment gateway and the first continent that I'm gonna jump into is in the Middle East. GCC countries like UAE, KSA, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, all of these countries, what is the best payment gateway that you should start using today? So the easier way to go around this is actually cash on delivery. It requires the most minimal documents, it does not have any startup or setup fee, and the best part, people love cash on delivery in the Middle East. So the first thing is cash on delivery, and how you actually turn it on is by going to your Shopify settings. Inside shipping, you turn on custom checkout, and custom checkout you put cash on delivery, and that's literally it. You don't have to do anything else. But how does cash on delivery even work? Well, I'm about to show you guys how cash on delivery works. The first step is you having the product, and the second step is you acquiring the customer who would like to purchase this product. So once you advertise this product and this customer wants to buy this product, all you have to do is ship out this product to the customer's house. The customer then pays you the amount through the courier service, and the courier service is basically the person who delivered the product to the customer, and you can basically put the amount that you want to get from the customer. So if I put 50 dirhams, my courier company will go and pick up 50 dirhams for the product, and then they will give it to me after deducting their own charges, which could be around 15 to 25 dirhams for the delivery. So after I receive this money, this is basically a transactional cash on delivery method that we just use inside dropshipping, and this is one of the most favored way of paying for products or anything like that here in the GCC countries. People are not really used to using their credit card or anything like that, so the most safest way for them to pay for anything is cash on delivery, and that's exactly how it works. Cash on delivery setup inside Shopify is very simple, and you guys can get started with no setup fee at all. Now that is the first payment gateway. The second payment gateway, if you specifically live in the UAE, is actually called Zina. Now ZIINA is basically a payment gateway that lets you add your payment gateway to the Shopify store with just your Emirates ID and nothing else. There is a reason why they're so famous and they're very favorite. It's because the requirement for the documents is very minimal. So all you have to do is literally give them your Emirates ID, and you can connect your Zina account to your Shopify store. And if you guys would like to get Zina, all you have to do is click on the description below, and you guys can start using Zina from today. Now if you live in any other country like Saudi Arabia and Kuwait and all of these countries, and if you'd like to get an online payment gateway, then the second best thing I would suggest you guys is Tap Payments. Now Tap Payments is actually very easy, and a lot of people in these countries use Tap Payments because it's very trustworthy. But apart from that, there's a lot of more solutions that you guys can actually apply for inside Shopify itself. Inside Shopify itself, you guys can go to payments, and you guys can see all of the checkouts that you can possibly use. And you guys can apply for each one of these checkouts and see which one actually gives you the approval to get started with. So then comes the next few countries, which is like USA, Canada, UK, and all of these countries that you want to start your dropshipping business in. So then comes the UK, USA, and all of these other famous countries that dropshipping is really viral in. How do you get the payment from the customers? Now to break it to you guys, cash on delivery does not work in these countries, and the best way to go around this is by using Stripe. Now you guys might already know that Stripe is a little bit of a headache and they ban you most of the times, but trust me guys, without Stripe it's almost impossible to scale your store. Now of course there's a lot of other checkouts like 2Checkout, Teller, and all of these things that you guys could potentially take advantage of, but Stripe is actually monitored with Shopify completely, which means that Stripe has given so much trust to Shopify, and they're actually well connected together, so in case of any chargeback or anything you can easily prove the customer wrong. Now the document for setting up your Stripe account is very minimal, but it also depends on your country. For example, in USA, UK and all of these countries, you can set it up within 10 to 15 minutes only. But if you live in any other country and if you'd like to set up Stripe, it's quite easy and simple. But if you live in any other country and if you'd like to set up Stripe for yourself, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is literally open up an LLC, and to open up an LLC, I've put a link in the description, or you guys can go on Google and search up set up an LLC in the USA. It's literally around $300 and you can get an LLC and a Stripe account based in the USA, so that you don't have to worry about getting banned or actually going through extra headache to set up a Stripe account. So I hope this clears up your whole payment gateway solutions, guys. If you live in the Middle East, then the best thing I would suggest you guys is actually cash on delivery x Stripe. You guys can also use Stripe in the Middle East by just opening up an LLC in the UK or USA. Or if you live in the countries like USA or UK, just use Stripe. It's very easy to use, and again, you guys have a lot of options inside Shopify itself to use from. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and I hope you guys find the best payment gateway through these payment gateways that I mentioned in this video. And if you guys would like to learn more about dropshipping and e-commerce and more in-depth about the payment gateway, then make sure you guys join the free Discord that we have in the description. You guys can ask us any question and my team will be there to reply and help you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.